Good morning, children, from Little Bird School. Today I am taking Social Science subject of Standard 8, Chapter number 1, Arrival of Europeans, Part 2. So, children, today I am discussing about a topic of Vasco da Gama. Yes, Vasco da Gama, a native of Portugal, discovered a sea route to India. It means Vasco da Gama is related to or associated with the Portugal, and he discovered a sea route to India. He encircled the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calicut on 22nd May 1948 after crossing the Indian Ocean. It means he had encircled of the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa, and where did he reach? He reached at the port of Calicut on which day? On 22nd May 1498 after crossing the Indian Ocean. Then the ruling king of Calicut. Yes, children, the ruling king of Calicut, his name was Zamorin. He gave the permission to the Portuguese to do trade in Calicut. The Portuguese established a fort in Calicut for trade in 1500 CE. Yes, the Portuguese established a fort and in Calicut for trade, it means for business, at 1500 CE. They fortified it and appointed a commander-in-chief. It means they appoint a commander-in-chief. His name was Albuquerque, to safeguard the fort. It means for the safety of that fort or villa. Moving northwards, Albuquerque conquered Goa in 1506 CE within a span of 100 years. See, what is that? In Calicut, the Portuguese were appointed a chief whose name was Albuquerque. For what reason? For the safeguard of the fort. Moving to the northward sides, Albuquerque conquered in Goa at 1506 CE with a span of 100 years. The Portuguese took control on Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and island of Lanka. It means that Albuquerque taken 100 years of time and he conquered over Goa at 1506 CE, and that Portuguese took control over the Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and island of Lanka. Now our next topic is end of the Portuguese rule. In the beginning of the 17th century, it means at the starting of the 17th century, the Portuguese expanded their trade to the Bengal. It means the Portuguese were doing a very much business. They were expanded. They were broadened their business to Bengal. At this time, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled India from Delhi. At that time, our Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, he was ruled over India from Delhi. The Zubedar of Bengal complained to Shah Jahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. It means the Zubedar means the leader of the army commander of the Bengal. He complained to Shah Jahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. Thus the fort of Hooghly was demolished and ships were burned as per the order of the emperor. So at that time Shah Jahan give a permission or give an order that to burn all the ships. So they didn't reach to India or didn't do anything, any kind of business to India. In this way, the Portuguese rule came to an end, with the exception of territories of Diu, Daman and Goa. Okay children, up to this we will discuss further topic in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.